right, as it stated in the thumbnail, I made a mistake on this early on, and I ran into it here when I started to do this section. I'll point it out to you and show you the solution that I came up with. All right, the mistake was that the distance between the upper and lower lateral, I assumed, was 48 inches. Well, so much for me assuming. You guys know the definition of that. Well, it made one out of me. It was only about, I think, 36 or 38 inches from the top side of the upper lateral to the bottom. And I made those all 47.5 for an 48-inch span. So what I had to do was make a modification to that on my 6x6 posts. And it turned out okay, but I'll show you what I ended up doing on this other end over here. I don't have the bottom pin in it right now, so I'm able to open it, come back through here, and latch it. But by spreading them out, I ended up with a bracket here on the end, and I kind of went with the same theme as the rest of my pickets. I made a mount, put a socket in there, and that was just out of a piece of square tubing that I had to go and purchase. But there is the completed project, and a new set of hinges, and I had changed the location of the bottom pin, and that works well. And here's another view of this bracket from the other side. All right, for this year, this project has come to an end, and next year we're going to get to that section next summer, and we're going to get to that balcony area, and it's going to hopefully look the same as the rest of this. Thanks again for watching.